Excel Chapter 5 Skills Review 1. Make sure you save the data file, add your last name, first initial. Step 2, type your name in E2. Step 3, we're going to create a table out of this. They tell you to select the information, to select down to one row, to row 147 is a lot. So I'm just going to click in the table. We don't want to take this heading up here. We just want to take our field names, our category names up here. So I'm just going to click here, format as a table. We're choosing this green, I think it's this one, medium 7. And we're going to change row 1 over here to row 2. Goes down to row 147. My table has headers. And now we've created our table. We're going to click in A3 and then we're going to remove duplicates. So I'm going to go to the Data tab in the Data Tools group, remove duplicates. We'll choose unselect all, and then we're going to look for duplicates in the item names. So anything that has the same name will be removed, and we'll say OK. 5 duplicates found. We're going to sort the table by aisle and then by category in ascending order. So I'm going to click on the sort tool. I'm still on this data ribbon. And first, our first sort will be by aisle. And our next sort, at a level, will be by category. And ascending order goes from smallest to largest. So this all looks good, and we'll say OK. In cell A143, add a data validation rule to allow only whole numbers between 1 and 20. So we're going to scroll to the bottom. And data tools, data validation, allow whole numbers. The minimum is 1 and the maximum is 20. Add an input message by typing aisle as the title, and then our message will be enter a value between 1 and 20. Our error alert, the title will be invalid aisle, enter a valid aisle. We'll say OK. So how does that work? Let's say we enter the number 21. We get our stop message because that was the default message that was on there, and it tells us to retry. So we can enter a lower number or not, just to show you. So here was the stop message. You can add, just give people a warning. And that would be different, really, because if we put 21 in there, it'll allow you to continue. So if you absolutely don't want people to enter certain information, you need to make sure that it is on stop. And I'll hit cancel, and we'll update it. To say stop. Okay. Step 7, filter the list to display only items in aisle 7. So we'll scroll up to the top, click on the pull down. I'm going to Click in the select all to uncheck everything, and then we only want to see aisle 7. And we'll save the file.